Hello and welcome all. If you are new to my channel, I just want to give you a quick introduction about my channel. So through this channel, I try to make a small attempt to answer the queries or question which my son asked me, and I prepare the videos on those responses so that it can be useful for other kids out there as well. So recently I was in my previous video I was covering the topic about the fractions, how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. So in the same series I have made a new video where I'm showing you how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. So in the description of this video I will be sharing the link of the previous two videos as well, so that if you want to refer those videos you can. So let's start with improper fraction. So what is an improper fraction? An improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. As in my previous videos I have already told that the fraction is numerator by denominator. So based on what type of numerator we have or what type of denominator we have, whether it's a greater, equal, or some we have a different type of fractions. So in my previous videos I have explained that. So in today's video I will be showing how to convert an improper fraction to mixed fraction. So to converting the improper fraction to mixed fraction, we will be using the division maths. We will be using maths, which is division. So let's revise some basic terms of division. I'm sure you all will be aware of it, but what happens as the time passes, we sometimes forget, or sometimes we get confused between those terms. So it's better to revise those terms. So there are four main terms we use for division. One is dividend. Dividend is the number which is being divided. Divisor, it's a number that is the dividend will be divided by. Quotient is the number of times the divisor will go into the dividend, and the remainder is the number that is less than divisor, so and it is too small to be divided by divisor to form a whole number. So based on these four terms, we will be converting the improper fraction to a mixed fraction, because I wanted to give you formula for that. So that's why I have used this term. So what happens in when we are trying to convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction? So our numerator will become the dividend. Our denominator will become the divisor. And if I have to give you the formula, so I will say, if we have an improper fraction in the terms of numerator by denominator, so equivalent mixed fraction will be quotient remainder divided by denominator. So let's see this in the example so that it can be clear for you. So here I have taken the example of the improper fraction 23 by 4. So here 23 is the numerator which is greater than the denominator, which is 4. So we're gonna divide 23 by 4. So our dividend become 23, our divisor become 4, which is denominator, and then when we are dividing it goes 5 times. So 5 is our quotient, because 5 fours are 20 and we can't divide 3 anymore, so it becomes a remainder. So as per the formula which I have mentioned in the previous slide, a mixed fraction should be quotient remainder divided by denominator or divisor. So it will convert into 5 3 by 4. So I have another example. Which my son will be explaining. So another example is, we have a number 19 by 3. So can you tell me how we convert 19 by 3 into mixed fraction?
So we divide it by 3, and the first number is going to be 6, and then 18 will come down and we'll minus it, and it will equal to 1.
So in 3's table, if we multiply 6 times, then it comes 18. So 6 will be the quotient. We will use here 1 will be the remainder, and 3 will become the denominator. So this way we have converted an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. So Guys, these were the two examples through which I tried to explain the conversion. I hope it is clear to you. If you think that video was helpful for you, please like this video and share it with your friends, and please subscribe to channel. It's free. And thanks for watching the video.